right, because I'm anxious, I'm gonna go ahead and get this door closed, or this top closed on here. It's got some weight to it. I guarantee you ain't buying nothing like this at the store. Do have smoke coming out the chimney. That's a good thing. But I can already see I got a lot of air gap at the front here. Use the wobble of the camera. And that fire is just really getting started. But I can see I'm gonna have to do something up here in the front. If I even worry about it. We'll play with some. All right, while this is burning, I'm gonna go ahead and get the next piece ready, which is the griddle plate. I also have a 1/4-inch steel piece of, 3/16 steel that I had sandblasted, and all this was sandblasted too. I didn't forget to mention that. So it is a sandblasted, completely sandblasted, restored unit. I did forget to say that in the original video. Shame on me. But you can tell it's not brand new. It's loved. But anyhow, I got a steel plate I want to get in there and also get it seasoned. Let me get some oil on it. All right. All right. Got another coat of grease on there. And we got our steel plate. I'm going to season it all up. So far, so good. Did I mention this thing is heavy? Good God. We're gonna let this go, see what kind of temperature we can start bringing up, and we'll bring it back. 187 degrees. So that fire is going to have to come forward without a doubt. But again, I mean, it's only been minutes. The grease hadn't even. Back there, I'm at 404. Fire hasn't even really got going yet. Fire is only 500, 891. So it's a learning process. I know that. We're going to go ahead and push this plate back a little further so I can get some heat on the front side up here. I guess what's cool about it is I'm going to have a hot and cold zone. Just continue to cook. let's get a couple more Fahrenheit temperatures, not Celsius. That's 498. I just turned this plate around because I wanted to get some heat on this side of it too. It is 430. So she's heating up. Let's see how difficult it is to stir up this fire. Not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it myself. See if we can't get it a little bit hotter yet. We got 607 degrees, 613. I'm gonna drop on me now. It builds back up. 611, 617, 18, 19, 620. 624 right there, 625, so I'm happy. I'm real happy. It's hot. Let's flip that plate over so I can re-season. Put a couple coats of oil on this backside. And it's a hot son of a gun. 593 already. All right, we're gonna have to get this wrapped up. Clouds are coming in, wind's picking up. About ready for another one of them storms that have been coming through here the past few nights. But that's it. That's the new park grill, two-sided, double park grill that I had sandblasted. I painted it. Had the Amish make the dome for me and cut the front door and weld in the chimney stack. But other than twisting the cabinet back straight, that was the hardest daggone thing. It took two of us with about a 10-foot long piece of 1/2-inch thick I-beam hooked on the front ledge and just kept yanking on it till finally we got it straightened up. The base was made by the Amish also. Gotta give them credit for that. So I can't wait to cook a pizza. I'm Sleeper Barbecue. Thanks for watching. I'll stop peeking around the corner here. We hope to see you on our next first pizza cook. Thank you.